Hi guys. The iPhone 7 does not officially support iOS 17. Apple dropped iOS updates for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus back in 2022, with iPhone 15.7.x being the last official version. So straight up out of the box, you cannot go into settings and then software update and magically get iOS 7 on an iPhone. But since you asked for it, I will cover everything, right? iOS 17 minimum requirements, XS, XR, and later. Basically anything from 2018 onward. iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus cutoff. For iOS 18 or iOS 15.7.x with only occasional security patches afterward. Apple enforces this because the A10 Fusion chip in the iPhone 7 can't reliably handle all the machine learning, AR, and system-wide features baked into iOS 17. So if you open settings, general, and the software update on an iPhone 7, you will never see iOS 17 appear. Why Apple blocks older phones? Performance. Newer iOS versions are optimized for chips with more neural engines like A12, Bionic, and later. The iPhone 7 lacks that. Battery life. iOS 17 has a background processing and life features that would tank A7's already aging battery. And also experience control, right? Apple prefers dropping support rather than giving users a laggy, buggy experience. Now, people who really want iOS 17 on an iPhone 7 turn to hacks. Here's how they typically try, right? And I don't advise that, but here's what they do. They go to IPSW website, right? And download IPSW file. Go ahead right here to phone, right? And choose like iPhone X or whatever, or XR. Okay. And they download a third-party file, not from Apple, and they use tools like Future Storm, okay, which can manually push firmware to a device. This often requires a shish blobs, unique signing tickets Apple uses to trick iTunes into flashing unsupported firmware. Even if successful, the system may be unstable. Certain features won't work, like FaceTime, iMessage, App Store, etc. And the phone could boot loop. Okay. Secondly, jailbreak and custom ROM or theme. Jailbreaking lets you install tweaks that skin iOS 15 to look like iOS 17. While this doesn't actually install iOS 17, it can give you the aesthetic, like lock screen, styles, widgets, control center look, etc. This is safer than forcing an unsupported IPSW, but it's still unofficial and voids warranty. And they use also third-party iOS Lite builds. Some communities build stripped-down versions of newer iOS features and port them to older devices. You'd have to manually install these via AltStore, right? AltStore right here. Okay, also.io. And, or similar side loading methods. Again, not Apple certified, potentially unstable, and risky for your data and security. What you risk, breaking the phone, right? Stuck on recovery screen, losing carrier or call functions, baseband chip issues, no security updates, meaning your iPhone is vulnerable, app crashes, since many apps check your iOS version against Apple's servers. So, realistic alternatives: stay on iOS 15.7. Apple still pushes security patches occasionally, so you're not completely unsafe. Upgrade your device. Even a used iPhone XS or iPhone 11 is way cheaper now, and they run iOS 17 smoothly. Thirdly, theme your iPhone 7. Jailbreak and install tweaks that mimic iOS 17 design, and you'll get the look and feel without the compatibility mess. So, bottom line, you cannot install iOS 17 on an iPhone 7. Unofficially, you might hack it on using custom IPSWs, but it's not worth it unless you love risk and troubleshooting. Best move, stick with iOS 15 or upgrade to a newer iPhone if you want the full iOS 17 or future iOS 18 Plus experience. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.